How to delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete Instagram search suggestion when typing, open the Instagram application on your device first and go straight to your profile. Here, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on your activity. Scroll down and under how you use Instagram, you will see the option for recent searches. Tap on that. Here, tap on Clear All option on the top right now. You will receive a pop-up. Tap on Clear All again. Now go back and tap on three lines again and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Help and then tap on Report a Problem. Now tap on Include and Continue. Here, explain your issue and make sure to be more informative and descriptive about your issue for quicker responses from Instagram. Once typed in, tap on the Send option and with this, your feedback has been submitted successfully. Instagram will review your request and will delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.